Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, on this video we are going to be baking birthday cake. Yes, so this order came in 2 days ago and today is just Friday evening. So I'm just going to quickly cream my butter. So over here I have about 1 kg in there, so I'm going to cream it a little bit before adding my sugar. So I'm going to be showing you guys step by step how to make birthday or wedding cake. So guys, let's go. So guys, I'm going to start adding my sugar in there right away. It's ready guys, so this is it, so fluffy. So what I'm going to be doing now is to transfer it into my bowl. So that is going to be my mixing bowl. So I'm going to transfer everything in there before we go ahead. So guys, the next thing we are going to be doing now is cracking our eggs. So we are going to be cracking about 20 eggs. So this step is very important. Make sure you crack one at a time so you don't add bad eggs in there. So guys, over here is my eggs. So I'm going to be adding my liquid ingredients to it. First of all, so I'm going to be adding my vanilla, 2 tablespoons. That is 2 tablespoons of my vanilla. I'm also going to be adding my banana flavor to it. Feel free to use any one you have. I'm also going to be using my black tinkle. Two tablespoons to it. While we go back. So guys, the next one is our dry ingredients. So I'm going to be adding 1.5 tablespoons of my baking powder to it. Meanwhile, my flour is already sifted. I've already sifted my flour. I'm also going to be adding a little bit of vanilla flavor in there. I'm just going to turn it together while we go ahead and combine everything together. So I'm going to be adding it little by little. So this is the pan we are going to be using, guys. So I'm going to turn it in there. So it's ready now. I'm going to take it into my oven. Guys, our cake is ready. Yeah. So this is how it came out. So don't worry about this mark. So we are going to be trimming it off, and I'm going to be showing you guys in another video how I icing and conclose my cake. Yeah. So if you know you have not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Go ahead and subscribe to our channel. So we bake, we cook, and we do a lot in this channel. Yeah, that is it. See you guys on my next video. Bye.